Come and check out this great live we did over on TikTok where I did my hair. Crazy hair time is back again. Let's do it. Hey everybody, welcome. We are going live and today is the day where I am going to be doing my hair. Hopefully, it's only my second time going live, guys, so bear with me while I try to figure all this out. But yes, we're going to be doing 3 different colors. I've done this sort of before. We're going to change it up just a little bit on how we're doing it. But I'm going to be using the Wella, of course one of them's upside down, right? Wella Color Charmed paints. Now that's sort of what you still see a little bit of in my hair. So for any of you that are still noticing that I have a little purple and blue, sorry, this thing keeps slipping. We have the Blue Lagoon. We have the Wild Orchid, which is sort of a purple. And we have the Raspberry, which is going to be a beautiful fuchsia color. So yeah, pretty stoked about that. We got all the accoutrements. I've got me some brushes here, so I'm going to get all that out of the bag so that once I'm gloved up and ready to go and we're touching the dyes, we don't have to worry with it anymore. Welcome everybody, welcome. Hopefully you'll stick it out and watch me. So here's the plan. What we're planning to do, and I know that I'll have people coming in and people not coming in, but that's fine. As we go through this, what I'm planning to do is I'm going to be adding 6 different braids to my hair. Okay, so we're gonna find my part, which I normally sort of do a side part. Yeah, chuggy, whatever, I don't care. Doesn't matter to me. And I'm going to be making 3 braids on this side, 3 braids on that side. And that is, then we're going to be kind of dyeing the underlaying part one color, probably the raspberry, and then putting a mixture of colors into the braided areas. So let's get started with that. And I'm going to go ahead and start with my first braid so that we can get this thing going. We might be pulling some. This might be a fatter braid than the other one, but I don't care. It's gonna be neat. You guys should tag Brad Mondo so we can just give him a poor little heart attack. He'd probably be like shook, completely shook. He'd be like, oh, please don't do this. Please don't do this. At least it's not, what is it he has a fit about, T18? He hates that stuff. He gets so mad at people for that. Welcome. We're going to be doing some hair dyeing today. Thank you for joining us. We're braiding the hair and then we're going to dye it. It's going to get a little nutsy, but I've done it before and it always looks pretty neat, so I'm excited to share it with you guys. Thank you for joining. Is that Sir Ken? Welcome. And I think it was a Ryan Knapp. If I'm saying it wrong, please forgive me. I see you followed. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I am in TikTok jail, I guess. They won't let me follow anybody right now. I guess I don't understand the rules. And there goes my cardboard. Yay, it landed behind me at least. I don't have to chase it. The wind is decided now is the time it has to kick up, right? Thanks, wind. All right, I think we're good. So we got it all up in braids, guys. Anything that's not in braids is gonna probably be pink. So, I do have some clippies too. I try to bring out as much stuff as I might possibly need. So what we may do is just kind of clip this off to the side and get started with the base part here. Another Brad Mondo freak out. He would not be happy to hear that, but you know, we're not bleaching, so it's not like we're gonna get hot ends. I watch too much Brad Mondo apparently, guys. Oh man. Okay, go ahead and open these because I want to get them open and ready because you have to puncture them. They're all in tubes. Not a huge fan of the idea of a tube, but it is what it is, right? So let's do this. And we're gonna get it started so that I don't have to deal with it later when I've got a bunch of dye in my hands. I've done that, it's not fun. All right, tell me everybody, where you guys from? I'm here in Orlando, Florida. Where are you guys chatting in from? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. I see you there. Is that Witty? Wataya Chongo, is that how you say it? I apologize if I'm saying it wrong. I'm gonna call you Witty if that's all right. I am doing wonderful, thank you. And I am in Orlando, Florida. Where are you from? USA, all right. All right, guys, we're just getting our dyes ready. Welcome to everybody joining. Appreciate you. Look at these colors, man. Ooh, that pink gonna be pretty. I guess I should have shown you the blue too. This is the Lagoon Blue. Very nice. They're very good colors, guys. I mean, they may not be for everybody. These are semi-permanent, but for me, because of the white hair, they stick so good for me. So if you're looking for a nice semi-permanent, these are great options. I am not a huge fan of them being in a metal tube, I'll be honest with you. I prefer it to be in a bottle of some sort or something like that, or even a foil packet maybe, but not a metal tube. These are rough. All right, and there's printing them out onto a piece of cardboard. I did not buy bowls. I did get brushes, however, so we might try to use those for the pink. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use it for the braids. I pretty much find just using my hair is the best way. So let's get into it. I'm gonna make the main part pink. So anything that's not braided will automatically be pink. And yes, I am not gonna do this all professional, I can tell you right now. It's not gonna be, I am no professional hair dyer, but I have done this enough times to know that it does come out pretty cool either way. So at some level, I will go back in with my hand and make sure that this is covered well, so don't worry. I will save enough dye to do that. I haven't squished it all out yet. I just thought this might be initially okay for right here at the roots to see how that's gonna work out and see what we got going on. Obviously that side's not going as easy for me, but we're gonna make it work, don't you worry. I'm gonna take this clip off. We're gonna start working on this side. Why not? Before my other dyes start drying out. All right, so blue or purple, guys? Drop me a comment. Blue or purple for this first one? What do you think? Blue, we got a blue. Anybody disagree? All right, this one's gonna be blue, guys. Here we go. And it looks really, and it'll be a little purple up at the top. Yep, got my shirt already. That's all right. That's why I wear this shirt. Because I don't care. You can get a little purple hue in here. This will be real interesting. Some of the ones further back, I'm going to be doing more than one color. I'm going to take my rubber band off for a moment just so I can get all the way down here. There we go. Awesome. Awesome sauce. I'm going to take it on there good. So I still have plenty. And this is going to get real interesting. Right. I think I'm going to do this one purple. Let's do it. Let's switch it up and make it crazy. This is the purple going on. The Wild Orchid is the name of the color. Yeah. What do you guys think? Can you see me okay? I think I'm showing up all right over there, right? I think we're going to work around the rubber band. I think it'll be easier in the long run. Maybe I'll move it up. That makes more sense. Yeah, that works actually. We'll do that. It's probably not the best for my hair, but neither is printing on this much hair dye, I imagine. Thanks. All right, so I think with this one, we're gonna do pink ends and purple top. This is kind of how I did it the last time that I braided my hair to do it. And it came out neat to do kind of half and half. And yes, I know I'm getting all caught up. They're not the best braids in the world for sure. Haphazard is probably the best way to describe them, honestly. And don't worry, I'm gonna go back over some of these spots where you're seeing I've missed. Don't you worry. by the end, they'll be covered. All right, so we're gonna put as much purple in here. And then on the bottom, we're gonna switch it up. This is why, now you see why I just went ahead and used my hands, guys, because at the end of the day, it's gonna end up being the best way to do it. And they're gonna all get mixed up anyway. It's all gonna end up being mixed up. Don't you worry, there'll be some interesting colors and blends and mixes. I might not have wiped my hand off a little before I did that one, but that's okay. There'll be some pink hues in there. Oh. But you know what? This shirt, we don't care. The shirt's already wrecked anyway. I used to dye my hair last time. Hey, there we go. Now they're clean. I'm gonna get it on my face. Don't you worry about me. I'll be all right. It'll come off. Lots of blue back here. It's a coming. All right. My hair was white before this, guys. So those of you just joining us, I have almost solid white hair. It had a little bit left of this color from before, because I've done something similar before. I did 4 braids previously, though I didn't do 6. You think it's looking good? Thank you, guys. Thank you. I'm so sorry that that isn't coming up for you, but I will try to figure out a better way for it to come up. I don't know why it doesn't search properly, but I know that typically that when you look up True Life Scary Tales, typically on YouTube, it'll pop up some of my videos. You'll see some of my thumbnails, and a lot of times you can find my Local Love channel then. You can try that, or there's a link on my TikTok. For any of you that come over and show some love, I appreciate you guys, and you know, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think, and what kind of stuff you'd like to see here on TikTok, what kind of stuff you'd like to see on my Local Love channel. I appreciate anything. This is my second time going live, so I appreciate everybody's patience. I am very new to this, and I appreciate all the love and you guys spending your time with me. I appreciate it very much, so thank you so much for that. And I think that's pretty much everything. I've made a proper mess here of myself, of my table, hopefully not of my hair. And yeah, other than that, guys, I hope that you enjoyed it, and keep an eye out on me for TikToks coming up. I try to keep them coming. Some of them are just silly stuff, me playing with filters, but if you want to see something specific, let me know. I'll do my best. I might be planning to come up with some ideas on my own. I'll be doing some stuff about my weight journey as well. I bought one of those hoop fits. I don't know, guys. This could be interesting to see me try to hula hoop it. So definitely stay tuned for that, because that'll be something. That'll be something special. I'm a big girl, but I'm on the down, so that's good. You know, I've come down. I used to be over 400 pounds. And I'm currently down, you know, obviously I'm around the 300 mark. So, I mean, we've made some progress, and as long as that number keeps going down, it's going to make me very happy, and I hope you guys join me for it. And thank you so much. I know I'm rattling on. Thank you for joining me, guys. I think I'm going to end my live now, but I appreciate you, and for all of you that jumped in and gave me love and likes and any, you know, other things you might have seen that I might have missed, thank you so much. It's a little hard for me to see it from this distance. Amanda needs glasses and I didn't want to get them all gross. So thank you so much for joining us. I appreciate everybody. I see Joe Cross, I see let's see here, Aria. I see a lot of people have come and gone, and I appreciate you. I see we've got somebody who just joined. Megan, welcome. I appreciate you guys, and peace. I'll see you real soon. We're going to take this off and start cleaning up my mess. I don't think you guys want to see that. Peace out. Have a good night, guys. Thanks for joining me. Time for the big reveal. And here it is, everybody. This is what came out. And sorry if it's a weird format. My apologies. But since this was a live video before, I think it's just kind of formatting it very similarly. Very, very pretty. The pink was a little more muted than I thought it would be. And you can see that by the end, a current day picture will be included. This was done just a few weeks back, or actually like 2 weeks ago, I think I did my hair, something like that. And as you can see, the pink is all but gone to a very, very pale, pale pink. almost completely gone. So we might be touching it up with something completely different. That's the only downside with the Wella Color Charm paints. While they're wonderful, some of their reds and pinks are a little bit less than wonderful. All right, guys, drop us a comment. Let us know what you think about this live experience that we had on TikTok. I did edit it for you guys. It was a pretty long video. And so thanks for tuning in, and peace. We will catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends. And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.